Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Monke token. Now this is Monke without a Y, M-O-N-K-E. That is the name of the token and the ticker symbol for this token. This token got listed a little while ago on CoinMarketCap, maybe like a week or so ago I saw it get listed. It's been in and out of the top gainer section ever since. Right now it is up 235.06%, doing very well again today. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I was just looking for a audit on this token. I did find a KYC so far. So there is a link to their KYC, which means that their team was doxed to a company called Freshcoins to verify who they are. And you can see the GitHub link of that. And they just literally posted that 34 minutes ago on their Twitter. At Monke, of course Monke is always spelled without a Y. At Monke ERC20 is their official Twitter. And they have 103 tweets so far. Pretty active on here, especially since they just joined in May 2023 on Twitter, which is within the last 6 days. 4,179 Twitter followers already, and they have a Telegram, which is the same, at Monke ERC20. You can find their Telegram listed on CoinMarketCap. They have 1,068 Telegram followers, or subscribers, I mean. And their official webpage, monkeerc.com. You can find that listed on CoinMarketCap, along with their Block Explorer, socials, price chart, and contract address. So this is an Ethereum token, so if you did want to get this token, all you'd have to do is fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then trade your Ethereum for the Monke token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage. You can find it on their Etherscan. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address, and you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics. We'll see if there's any taxes here in a second. Right now, it says, according to their Etherscan here, that they have 2,315 holders, 9 decimal places on this token, and a max total supply of 1 trillion tokens. So, on their webpage, you can find tokenomics, roadmap, frequently asked questions, white paper, Twitter, Telegram, DEX tools link, and their Etherscan. So all sorts of info on there. Now, their white paper is called their banana paper, of course, and it is 8 pages long. So this is very much a meme token. It says, thousands of years ago, there was only Monke. Monke live simple life. Monke live happy life. Then come humans. Humans bad. Humans make big fire and make bad juju. Monkeys see that humans also bad apes, use brain and remain poor. Monke no use brain. Monke see. Monke buy. Monke print. Reject humanity. Return to Monke. All right, that was a good story. All right, all apes want banana. Banana most important of them all. For having much banana, apes need to buy coin. Meme is culture. Meme is revolution. Meme is monkey. Meme is money, sorry. Monke watch many bulls, bears, doges, sheeps, frogs, from his tree and learn most useful lesson, pumpamentals and pumpanomics. Monkeys see that memes have both. So they have the difference here between it's funny because on crypto pages they'll always compare, like, say, a blockchain, the transaction speeds and price and gas fees, all that stuff. They'll have a chart comparing one blockchain to another. So this one on their white paper, you can see that they compare human to monkey. and human is spelled Hooman, and monkey is obviously has no Y. So human is dumb, human uses brain, human buys poo coins, human sells early, human remains poor, and human eats junk food and becomes fat. Now monkey is smart. Monkey no use brain. Monkey follow hype and buys with other apes. Holds till banana, becomes rich, eats banana, and then is happy every day. Now basically the banana means like you're going to be... Banana is the prize, so they're saying that's a lot of money basically is the banana, the big banana. What do monkey do? Monkey is meme token for all apes. Monkey no understand dip. Monkey make troop and hold till banana to print green for apes. Apes together strong. Now, they have the total supply on here, which we already went over, is 1 trillion tokens, which is enough for all apes, it says. And it says 0% tax. Monkey, no need tax, only banana. So you most likely will not have to set your slippage on Uniswap. You could probably just leave it at the default because of the no tax. Now there is a roadmap on here, and the roadmap is called When Banana. So first phase is 1 banana. So it's going to be launch, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap listings, 1,000 plus monkeys, trending on Twitter with monkey power. Phase 2, 2 bananas, community partnerships, token gated Discord group, so you could join that if you were a hodler of this banana, and 10,000 plus monkeys, and then central exchange listings. So stay tuned for central exchange listings coming in the future. They'll most likely announce that on their Twitter, just like they just announced their KYC. Maybe they'll have an audit soon too as well. Third phase, 3 bananas, monkey-themed merch. So you're going to be able to get some merch, and then there's going to be buyback and burns. So it'll be deflationary, and then tier 1 central exchange listings, and then 100,000 plus monkeys. Lots of monkeys. Contract address is at the bottom of their white paper. Now, again, frequently asked questions it has on here. What is monkey? Monkey is life, monkey is everything, and how can I buy monkey? Uniswap. So those are the only 2 frequently asked questions so far, so maybe they'll add some more in the future. Eventually it says also they're going to have a monkey verse, which wasn't listed on their white paper. So, you know, monkeys in the metaverse, that seems to be fun. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about the monkey token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.